Hello and welcome back to the Cannabis Sommelier. I'm your host, Andrew Friedman. Thanks for joining me for another episode of Cannabis Accessory Reviews. Today, we have a killer battery for 510 threaded vape cartridges from an awesome company that I've absolutely come to love. What is it? It's the Compass from Vessel. And Vessel is just absolutely a killer brand. These guys blew me away with the first vape pen that I got and I reviewed, and I had to get their next versions. Their original Vessel battery has been just incredible, and I have loved every bit of it. So I can't wait to try this one with a larger battery, a different design, and some cool other things. So let's dive into it. Vessel is a company out of California. It's designed in California. Everything's assembled in China. This one's ultra compact, ergonomic power, optimally tuned air intake design, cartridge swivel, variable power, smart power management, long-lasting 550 milliamp battery. That's massive. That's double the size of this original battery, so that's huge. And this one lasts, usually an entire cart. So 550 milliamps is great. USB-C charging, badass. It'll be really quick, and it's got a 6-month warranty. So let's open it up. I don't even know what color this is. Look, it might be gold. That would be badass. The gold fits my swag. So it's packaged really nice. It's packaged like an Apple product, as we have come to expect from nice electronic companies. I believe this one is like, I can't remember, 60 US dollars, like 100 Canadian dollars. So let's crack into it. Been waiting to try this battery out. Very excited. I love the stiffer cellophane. I don't know what it is. Stuck to me. Beautiful box, nice raised, whatever. You guys don't care about the box, you care what's in it. Oh! From the moment you pick up your Vessel, you'll obsess over its signature design and character. We work relentlessly to make your every experience more intuitive, personal, delivering the best design performance in our line of products. The collection is an honest demonstration of our attention to detail and craftsmanship. Look at how beautiful that unit is. That's absolutely gorgeous. Love it. That is one thing. These guys are like that Apple standard. That's kind of what we hold every electronic standard to these days. Is like they're the Apple standard of vape batteries. In the retail store, we were selling more Vessel batteries than anything. Get started. We're gonna want to register it. We're gonna charge it. I like to kill my batteries before I charge them, load it, and enjoy. Power on off with 5 rapid clicks and 3 to change it. 5-volt charger only. Start using the lowest setting and work your way up. That's what we've got in the box. That falls out nicely, and it is this beautiful gold. So I'm stoked that I got a matching set because I love that gold, and it's a really nice design. You know what I actually like in my suit jacket is this tends to fall over in my pocket, and this one, I will actually be able to find, and it's totally different. Really like the design. You can see the USB-C down there. Looks like they might have a clip charger coming in the future from these toggles or these attachments going on at the bottom. But great color. Well, let's put a cart into it and see what happens. I got this cart from Hexo that I did a review on. And then you screw that in, and then it swivels. It screws in, and then it has a tight swivel so that you can, I believe, maybe not. Oh, yeah, you get 180 degrees of swivel. So that's nice, so that I can always have the optimal mouthpiece. That egg's pretty cool. And now my cart's protected, so it's a good traveler. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Our lights are on. There we go. Perfect. And I am on light blue. That's my lightest setting. I love how it looks. The color, the feel.
The look of it, the taste of it, the smell of it, the texture. I love gold so much.
The edges. It feels like a really nice car key. This is beautiful. Love it. Now let's try it out. Killer airflow. I should mention the smart battery that has its variable voltage on how it draws. If you're ripping on it, it likes to mitigate the battery a little bit so that every puff is consistent between everybody, especially if you're passing it around. Very smart battery. Great technology. Big rips coming out of it. Let's try it here one more time. I think it's huge that I can actually move this. That's really nice. And then we'll take it back out, knock it past, and I just want to do a little comparison to the original battery. This one's a lighter airflow. It's not ripping as hard. Wow, that's fantastic. Okay, so let's say this is a lighter airflow, and this one's actually one temperature hotter. So, double the battery, moving mouthpiece, very slick design. You got your like I said, the smart battery, slick design, good, nice, big, easy button, hidden tank, killer fucking battery. I love these Vessel products. I love this one a lot. This one's might start being my everyday carry just because I really like how it sits in the palm of my hand. And I've been loving this one for a long time. I have multiple colors. I love them so much. This is like, it's a great accessory. If you smoke carts at all and you don't have a Vessel brand battery, you're kind of screwing up. This is like the Mont Blanc pen of vape batteries. Absolutely fantastic. Cannabis sommelier approved. Stand behind it. 9 out of 10. The only thing that would make the Vessel lineup better for me is if they Bluetooth and I could start having some more control with my phone to the degree, temperature, seeing how many puffs I took. That's literally the only thing that could be better for me. These are the best batteries that I've ever used for anything, and I will continue using them and standing behind them. Love it. Love it. Love it. Go check them out. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.
What's my name? What's my name? The Cannabis sommelier.